Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, we are going to go over the new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General, and please keep in mind that these will start on Tuesday, August the 15th. And first up, we have a brand new category joining our clearance markdowns this week. We have a seasonal baby category going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, August the 15th. Now, unfortunately, for the items that are in this category, I do not have any pictures of them yet, but stay tuned. I will be working on getting some. But for this video, I have put together the description that came off of the DG app. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit. That way it's a little bit easier for us to understand. And then, of course, I have the regular price along with the UPC code up there for you all. So just taking a quick look at these descriptions, we have the Disney Bib and Burp cloth set. So that's probably a two-piece set, normally $10. UPC is on the screen. We also have the Disney Princess water bottles. These are also normally $10. UPC code is on your screen. And I would imagine with these water bottles being normally $10 each, they're probably not the little cheap $1 or $2 little plastic ones that you can also pick up at DG. Now, on these last three items with the descriptions that came off of the DG app, they all say that they are licensed products, so we should be on the lookout for some characters. I'm not positive though that these are Disney licensed products, so just keep that in mind. First up, we have the 3-count Nook pacifier set, normally $5. Then we also have the Nook licensed silicone pacifier, and last but not least in this category, we have the Nubby teething ring bracelet. All right, next up we have Purple Dot home decor going down to 70% off. Finally, this is going to start on Tuesday, August the 15th, and I am putting together a really awesome visual video for you all, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. All right, next up we have our summer barbecue category going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, August the 15th, and here's a quick look at all those items that are included in this category. Alright guys, now that is going to be it for our new clearance markdowns. Let's move on into our penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, please do not forget that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar Generals, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, make sure you have your correct store location set, and if those items scan and show the price at 000 or 001, that means means that you have in fact found a penny item. And also, don't forget that your miles may vary, and this goes for any and all clearance and penny lists out there. Your miles may vary, so it is very, very important to scan before you go up to the register. All right, guys, first up, we have the Reese's Milk Chocolate Peanut Butter Football Candies. These are the little singles. You can probably find them up near the register, and I know that at a lot of stores, they have just recently put these on the shelves. I know at one of my stores, they put out the pumpkins and the footballs around the same time. So I think this is going to be a huge score for a lot of people. All right, next up, we have the Reese's Take 5 Pretzel Caramel Peanut Butter Peanut Chocolate Snack Size Candy Bars. These are individual wrapped, but this is a 4.4 ounce peg bag, so be on the lookout up and down that candy aisle and on the end caps as well. Check all of those little hooks. All right, now for this next one, I'm going to need a little bit of help from you guys down in the comment section below. Please let me know if y'all have seen this item at your store. Is it up near the register, or is this more of a seasonal item? So here we have the Bling Candy light up little kind of ring pops, okay? Now, I remember seeing a couple of these mixed in with the Christmas candy way back in like January, February, around that time. But I haven't seen any since then. So if you guys have seen these at your store, if you remember seeing them during a certain time of the year, month, whatever, please let me know about it down in the comment section below, because my mind is at a loss on these items other than finding those 1 or 2 little ring pops mixed in with the Christmas candy months ago. All right, up next we have the Hostess Patriotic Cupcakes. The UPC code is on your screen, and this is an 8 count. All right, next up, going down to 1 penny, starting on Tuesday, August the 15th, we have the Hostess Twinkies, and this is the limited edition patriotic themed box. The UPC code is on your screen there. All right, guys, so there you have it for our penny list for this week at Dollar General. And do not forget that these items will not drop to a penny until Tuesday, August the 15th. So the Reese's, the little bling rings, and the Hostess, all of those will not go to a penny until Tuesday the 15th. Now, also, another very important thing to keep in mind is that you definitely want to double check your expiration dates, because the Dollar General employees do not have to sell you expired items. So always double check that and make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me for now. Good luck, everybody, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned, because I have some really exciting videos coming up for you all this week, so make sure that you have those notifications turned on and set them to all. And before you go, if you haven't already subscribed by now, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.